Hello YouTube friends and followers. Here's an update on the $500 Mercedes that I bought about a month ago. So it looks like in Massachusetts there's a law about cracked windshields where the insurance company pays for it no matter what. And so since this thing was only worth $500, I have the minimal insurance on it, which is liability, and they'll pay for the cracked windshield still. So May 8th I get a new windshield, which is cool. The miles are creeping up. I've probably put 2,000 miles in this thing, just commuting to work and back, and maybe commuting up to Boston, up to Maynard every weekend. And what's left to do in this car? Well, it probably needs ball joints. I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking some of the ball joints are bad. I might need to do the right control arm for the steering, the right tie rod end. Not sure about that one, but if it looks bad, I gotta replace it. I have to redo one of the brake lines I put in toward the back because I had excess brake line and it's coiled up and that won't pass inspection, so I have to get that done. Let's see what else. The right rear door won't open. I gotta fix that. And let's see what else. I want to change the transmission fluid. It's burnt and ugly. I put a filter in the transmission. I want to change the differential oil in the back. I changed the front one, and I want to change the transfer case transmission fluid out of that thing. And I want to put brake pads on it for inspection. And what else? I got to patch holes in the bumpers because, of course, the previous owners broke the front and back bumpers with, who knows how they did it. I gotta patch those. I would like to put front bumpers on this thing and back from a junkyard. And of course the hood's all crinkled up, so I have to uncrinkle the hood. I don't think I'll find a new hood for it, but I gotta uncrinkle it. So that's part of the game plan too. So thanks for watching, and maybe another 2 weeks or a month this thing will be a normal running vehicle that I'll be proud to drive. I don't know if I'll be proud to drive it, but it's coming back to life slowly but surely. Oh, I also got to change the radiator fluid. So I put the new radiator in, and the temperature's doing okay. It's a little high, I think, but I bought a new thermostat for it, so I want to get the new thermostat in there, and I want to put in the Mercedes approved antifreeze. Right now I got some cheap green antifreeze in there, and I want to get the right stuff in. Okay, well that's about it. Thanks for watching. I have my Cumberland coffee here ready for work, and we'll see you all soon. Have a great day.